right, so next we are going to make a gnome, okay? So that you're gonna pinch off a chunk of clay. You're going to roll it into a ball. Okay, so now you have what looks like a ball. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to roll only on one side. So my hand is tilted like this, and I'm going to roll back and forth. So now I have like a point, okay? Because I've had my hand at an angle. So now I'm going to tap. And then if I want his head to have, or the top of his hat to have like a wiggle to it, you have to wiggle it immediately. Otherwise it's gonna start to crack, okay? So whatever shape it is that you want, do that immediately. Otherwise it'll break off, okay? So now we have this. Next, to create this part, you're gonna take your tool and you're going to press in and then just kind of wiggle out this way and press in. Okay, so now I have the opening, okay, where my gnome's going to be. Now from here I can texture depending on if I'm wanting to do a boy or a girl. So you can do like braids if you want to do a girl. If you want to, your gnome to have more of a beard, you can, you know, pinch this out, okay, so that it kind of pokes out a little bit. So then I can just add texture, whatever texture that you want to have. All right, and then you're gonna need a little piece of clay. So for the nose, like just a little piece, like maybe not even that big. And then you're gonna roll a ball. All right, with your scoring tool, again, dip it in water so that when you score, it's gonna make its own slip. And then you're gonna do the same thing right here. You're going to score. Okay, maybe a little bit more. And then I'm going to push the nose right here. Okay, you might need a paintbrush to kind of clean up. You know, if you had some like scratch marked areas, you can, you know, clean this up a little bit with your paintbrush where your fingernails or your fingers can't get to. And then from here, you can decide if you want to add other features to it. So if you want to give it a bow, if you're going to put a flower, you know, whatever you decide however you decide to decorate this to make this look unique. This is how you would make the gnome.